Tonight on Woodleigh Kitchen Rules, we introduce you to two new teams.
G'day, I'm Coop. I'm Jack. And we're stoked to be here today. It's gonna be good. We've risked a lot to be here today. There's a lot of sacrifices been made. It's this or nothing. We're gonna take home the win. We're bringing on the heat. All 4 burners. We're gonna smoke them. We're gonna cook them. We're gonna chuck them on the fire.
How do people do this? Hey Gretel, do you think we should have like the chairs on either side of the table? Is this okay? Gretel? Hi, I'm Tams and this is Gretel. And we're the Galting Gourmets. And we love horses, love them, but unfortunately you can't eat them in Australia. We don't love to eat them, but you can't eat them in Australia. You can eat them in France. I think it's completely wrong. I mean, horses should not deserve to be eaten, alright? Anyway, so we're super excited. I mean, we set up the table, we're getting our meals ready, and we're just on it. We're so on it, we're so prepared, and we are ready for this. My tip, Galloping Gourmets first, and Daylight second.
We find out about one contestant's dark past.
So can you explain what happened before?
About this time last year,
Coop, what now?
Jack, this time, we're in the same situation, in a similar competition, and Jack burned the wrist holes.
Hey Jack, don't burn it again.
And watch as one contestant walks off the show. It all happens tonight on Woodleigh Kitchen Rules.